The road's a very old one. There's ancient infrastructure under the road that needed upgrading. There's a sewer separation task that was undertaken as well. We had problems with the footpaths. They were damaged by the roots of the trees, and it's one that attracts a lot of people around the light show at Christmas time as well. So it was really, really important that we upgraded it from a safety perspective, but also from making Auckland a better place to live.
Stantec responded to the needs for this project by looking at the constraints along the route and then mapping them to the outcomes that Auckland Transport were looking to achieve.
Auckland's going through an enormous amount of change, urbanisation, a lot more people living in our city, a lot more people walking, cycling. Our world's changing very, very rapidly.
Stantec helped the client overcome specific challenges on this route, and probably the two key ones were stakeholders and technical challenges. So some of the engineering challenges were the aged infrastructure, but probably the biggest area where we've helped is working with the community groups, iwi, residents, businesses along the way, along with interest groups such as Bike Auckland, and we've helped update the key stakeholders right through construction.
The design of the project really prioritises people and pedestrian safety. So you see that in the raised tables at all the side streets, the design of the roundabout that really slows down drivers. There's additional pedestrian crossings, which was really important for the residents, and it just creates a much more pleasant street environment.
I think it is a forerunner for how we would like so many of our streets to look. To take what's important and preserve it, to bring up to date the infrastructure, to create that safe transit for people, and to encourage people to walk and to cycle.
This upgrade has just done wonders for the area. It was an important one mostly because of how iconic the road is.
Before the construction was even complete, we had residents starting to plant out the tree pits out in front of their properties with shrubs and ground cover. So it was a really great indication that the sort of product we were delivering with Franklin Road was going to be valued by the community and was heading in the right direction.